Good morning, students. As in previous video, I continued the lesson, my childhood, in which I told you that APJ Abdul Kalam had three friends, and Ramnath Shastri was one of them. All four were faithful to each other. And one day, when a new teacher came and he was teaching in the class, he saw that APJ Abdul Kalam was sitting beside Ramnath Shastri, who belonged to a Brahmin family. He ordered APJ Abdul Kalam to sit on the back bench. And I have also told you how the father of Ramnath Shastri came and ordered the teacher to leave the place or to apologize, to accept his fault. Now, students, I am going to teach you another paragraph. Open your book, all of you. Paragraph number 8. Let's see. On the whole, the small society of Rameswaram was very rigid in terms of segregation of different social groups. Separation means separation. The family was separated because of the different religion. The society was separated because of the different religions and faiths. The small society of Rameswaram was very rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups. However, my science teacher Shiv Subrahmanya Iyer, though an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife, was something of a rebel. Conservative is one who opposed to change. Now, you are going to study the event how the science teacher of APJ Abdul Kalam was orthodox Brahmin and his wife was conservative, who did not want to change the rule, the faith that was in society. And he did his best to break social barriers so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle easily. Mingle means mix. The science teacher Shiv Subrahmanya Iyer wanted to change the ideas, the mind of the people to mix with each other. He did not want that they should be orthodox. He used to spend hours with me and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with. Students, on par with is a phrase. The meaning is equal to. On par with means equal to. The science teacher told APJ Abdul Kalam that he wanted to develop him as highly educated people of the big society. He wanted to develop him as a person of high level people, highly educated people of the big society. This was the dream of the science teacher of APJ Abdul Kalam. See the next paragraph. One day he invited me to his home for a meal. His wife was horrified, and the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen, kept protected from all outside influences for the observance of religion. She refused to serve me in her kitchen. Shiv Subrahmanyam Iyer was not perturbed. Now, one day, the science teacher Shiv Subrahmanya Iyer invited APJ Abdul Kalam for dinner. And when he had gone there, the wife of Shiv Subrahmanya Iyer did not want to serve food in her kitchen. She did not want that APJ Abdul Kalam should be served food in her kitchen, as she belonged to a Brahmin family. Even then, Subrahmanya Iyer was not anxious. Perturbed means anxious. He was not anxious. He was not worried. Nor did he get angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat his meal. When Shiv Subrahmanyam Iyer saw that his wife was unwilling to serve food in her kitchen, he himself had gone to the kitchen and he served food to APJ Abdul Kalam, and both ate there. His wife watched us from behind the kitchen door. I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice, drank water, or cleaned the floor after the meal. When I was leaving his house, Shiv Subramaniam Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again the next weekend. But seeing the behavior of Shiv Subramaniam Iyer's wife, APJ Abdul Kalam did not want to go there or to go for dinner, but Shiv Subramaniam Iyer again invited him to come for dinner next week. Observing my hesitation, he told me not to get upset, saying once you decide to change the system, such problem have to be confronted. Confronted means forced to face problem. The science teacher told APJ Abdul Kalam that if he should change the mind of people, he should improve something in the society, such type of problems comes, and those problems are to be faced. Yes. When I visited his house the next week, Shiv Subramaniam Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. But something changed he saw next time. When APJ Abdul Kalam went second time for the dinner, he saw that the wife of Shiv Subramaniam Iyer, was completely changed, and she had served food herself to APJ Abdul Kalam, and he took dinner there with his teacher. Then the Second World War was over and India's freedom was imminent. Imminent means about to happen. Imminent. Then the Second World War was over and the India's freedom was about to happen. India was about to get freedom. Indians will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. Gandhi declared that the Indians will make India according to their own will. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented is never done or known before, as they have never done or did not know earlier. Optimism is hopefulness. The people did not know about this type of thing, that Indians would make India according to their own will. I asked my father for permission to leave Rameswaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram, and APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram, and he requested his father to leave him to go there. But what happened at last? Let's see. Paragraph 11. He told me as if thinking aloud, Abdul, I know you have to go away to grow. Does the seagull not fly across the sun alone and without a nest? He gave the example. His father gave the example of a bird. Seagull is the name of a seabird. He said that just a seagull flies from one place to another place over the sea. In the same way, people also move from place to place. He quoted Khalil Gibran to my hesitant mother, your children are not your children, they are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. They come through you but not from you. You may give them your love but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. APJ Abdul Kalam told his wife that she should give permission to APJ Abdul Kalam to go to study at Ramanathapuram, because every child, because the ideas cannot be given to the children. He quoted the example and said to his wife that she had given birth of APJ Abdul Kalam, but she could not give the ideas to him. Ideas come itself from the heart. So he gave permission to APJ Abdul Kalam to study there. Students, in this way, this chapter is finished. Now you have to write the different word meanings at your home and revise the lesson this again. And tomorrow I will discuss our questions, then I will give you homework. Thank you.